Hello Seekers, welcome to Pune's Astrology, your one-stop astro channel. Today is Akshaya Tritiya and today is also Lord Bhagwan Parshuram's birthday. The importance of Akshaya Tritiya is very high in Hindu tradition and it has a great astrological significance. It's not only a festival of prosperity, it's not only a festival where all of us try to buy something new. It's a very auspicious time to start something new, to launch something, to start a new business, and most of us actually buy gold or some or the other precious item during this festive season. But there is a great astrological significance behind this festival. This is the only day in the entire year when sun and moon are together exalted. As we know, you can go and check on any astrology website. Sun is in Aries, whereas moon is in Taurus. Sun is in Ashwini, whereas moon is in Kritika Nakshatra. Now we know that the ruler of Kritika Nakshatra is also Surya, the planetary lord is Surya in the Vimshotri Mahadasha system. And both are exalted. So both the luminaries, sun and moon, are exalted. Now both the luminaries are exalted means light is there in the sky. There is a lot of luminosity, a lot of positiveness, a lot of optimism. It's very auspicious. It's very beneficial. During this time of worldwide scenario that we are in, we may not go and physically be able to buy something, physically be able to, purchase some goods. But the importance of the festival, it's not by purchasing, it's not about the material prosperity. It's about the prosperity of the soul, it's about the prosperity of the karma. Both the luminaries, if they get exalted, that means that the light is shining in the horoscope, and this also means that if we start some auspicious karma, this is like we take a new year resolution. So if we take some sort of resolution today, it is of far greater importance than any other day on the calendar year. With the exaltation of Mars, this furthermore enhances the beauty of Akshaya Tritiya, and Mercury's movement into sign of Aries is also something what you call as Sone Pe Suhaga. So all the planets are in full form, all the planets are in full focus right now. The energy is very positive. It's like the Amrit Varsha. And this is our duty, our responsibility as a soul, as a traveler in this universe, that whatever we have got, whatever resource we have, we try to first of all appreciate it, be grateful to the God. Whatever He has given, there must be some reason behind it. So first of all, whatever good we have, we must be grateful, and whatever bad we are facing, whatever negativity we are facing, today is the day when the light is shining bright, and today we need to focus on those negative areas and pray to God so that He helps us do sufficient amount of positive karma in a right way, so that those negative things actually goes away and gets mitigated, we get defended, we get protected from all the negative vibrations and negative energy. Akshaya Tritiya is a very, very auspicious festival where a lot of stories in our Shastra and Dharma is associated with this day. Now, when the luminaries are exalted and the positivity is all around the air, this is the right time to start a new mantra chanting. This is the right time to start some siddhi, some spiritual journey. If you are holding yourself from going into a spiritual path or planning to start something new, say a simple yoga regime, a simple routine that you wanted to follow, today is the day when you can actually start. Take a sankalp, take an oath in front of the God, ask God to help you progress into that particular path, and you will see that the prosperity and the wealth of health is going to shower upon you. Right now we can see that the primary wealth is actually health. So this Akshaya Tritiya, may God give all of us a very good health, and may the economy stabilizes, and may the world see a brighter future in the upcoming days. That is my wish for all of you. Thank you guys. This is a brief video on the Akshaya Tritiya, and wish you all a very happy festival of Akshaya Tritiya. Thank you.